Hi, my name is Tanvi and welcome to my LifePage. Today I'm going to talk about wood crafting, but before that let me introduce myself. I did my schooling from Sophia, Meerut, and I did my graduation from Chandigarh College of Arts. Then I got jobs in various advertising agencies in Chandigarh and Delhi, and we stayed there for quite some time with the agencies. I was into making audio visuals for the company. We got into Vibgyor Handicrafts say about maybe 15 years back, but it has been just 10 years since I started designing for Vibgyor Handicrafts, our own export house. This is designing products which are exported, or one can use the products in the kitchen or for decor. It is very important to have knowledge of various softwares that you are going to design in. I have been designing in Photoshop and CorelDRAW. Creativity, because creativity is something that cannot be taught, it is inborn. First is good income, and not a lot of investment is required from your side. You can do this work from sitting at home or anywhere. You just need to be creative. Meeting up with the client's expectations. There are times that maybe just your 5 designs are there and the client approves them, but there are times that I have to do maybe like about 20 designs and the client is still not happy with it. Maybe it is not cost effective, maybe he's not liking it. One has to figure out, you are not able to read sometimes what the client is saying. So that part becomes really challenging. I prefer silence, and you can say like quiet time is early morning. So I get about 4-ish and do my designing part on the computer with a hot cup of tea. I take a break about 7:30 a.m. and do the daily chores. Once everybody has gone to their routine, I again sit down to do my remaining work by say about 11-ish a.m. And by 12:31, before children come back for lunch, I have finished my work. So rest of the day I am free to spend with my family the way I want to. I hope I have given you a balanced view on wood crafting. Thank you.